Welcome to video 5 of how to make effective point combination. In this video, I will tell you how to select points according to the areas of the body. So the greater yang channels, urinary bladder and small intestine control the back of the body. The lesser yang channels, gallbladder and triple worm, control the sides of the body and the bright yang. Stomach and large intestine controls the front side. Points such as UB60 and SI3 can be combined to treat general stiffness and pain of the back of the body, head and legs. Points such as GB34 and triple warmer 6 can treat problems of the side of the body, head and neck. And points like stomach 40 and LI4 can treat problems of anterior legs, abdomen, chest and face. Points on the front and back side of the body are used to maintain balance between back and front and yang and yin. For example, GB14 and GB20 for headache and GB16 and CV24 for mental confusion and Ding Chuan and Lung 1 for asthma. A special case of this is the combination of back shoe points and alarm points. For example, UB13 and Lung 1 for bronchitis, UB14 and CV17 for chest pain, and UB15 and CV14 for palpitations. Selection of points according to the point functions. This concept allows treatment not only of physical problems both inside and outside of the segment in which the points are located, but also of emotional and mental disorders. For example, UB18 and UB47 can be combined not only for pain at the level of the 9th thoracic vertebra, but for dizziness due to deficient blood vision, irritability, and poor planning ability. Since all these are aspects of liver imbalance, and UB18 and 48 are the back shoe points for the liver. Using points above and below. It is necessary to maintain a balance of energy in the body between front and back, right and left, and most important, above and below. The upper body corresponds more to the yang aspect, heaven, and to movement and energy, and the lower body corresponds more to the yin aspect, earth, and to solid matter.